Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and I'm excited to open up this box here to show you guys some of the projects we have coming up for our Acura Integra. If you've been watching our videos at all, we've been doing various Acura OEM accessory installs, and we decided to do a few more of those. So I'm gonna open this up and show you what's coming down the road. First couple things I have here are just some regular bumper clips. Some of these under panel, under splash guard screws, and a few of these bumper bolts. I had noticed when I was under my car that a handful of these things were missing. So I went ahead and just ordered the replacements and a few extras just in case. All right, let's get on to the good stuff. First thing, I think I know what's in here. The first thing we have is a black rear emblem. We've already installed one of these black emblems on the rear, but we did not remove the black vinyl, and someone had pointed out that you can remove that and it makes nice contrast, and so it's a body color behind this instead of all black. And so we wanted to redo it. Now when we initially did it, when you take the one that's on the vehicle off, you have to break off these plastic points. Since I was ordering all this other stuff, I decided to go ahead and order another one of these so we could redo it and get it the way that we want it, and also do an installation video of it. So when we're taking the one that's on there off, we're gonna try not to break those posts, and if we succeed, hopefully we can hook somebody up out there that's wanting to do this modification. Let's open this little guy here. Let's open this up. What do we got in here? We got some zip ties. We got some wiring harnesses. We've got two little things here. I think I know what this is. So these are the Acura symbol projectors. So check that thing out. It's just a little projector, and that mounts in your door. And then when you open your door, it's gonna project that Acura symbol onto the ground. This is kind of one of those mods I wasn't really sure that I wanted to do, but you know, I was having fun doing these videos and decided why not go for it. Let's just go all in here. And we got this big box here. See, we got left, left, right, right. I'm just gonna open one of these up here. That's right, you probably get an idea. These are the splash guards for your vehicle. I initially did not want to install these. I had seen a couple people install the front ones and the fitment wasn't exactly perfect. So I was like, maybe I'm not gonna do it. But I have noticed my wheels kind of spitting up some stuff on the car. I also know that if I put some aftermarket wheels, it's gonna get that offset a little bit further out. I'll probably have a bigger problem with that. So this is gonna protect the side a little bit. And I do think they look pretty good. And I got some feedback from people that said, hey, their fitment was pretty good. There's a little gap on the front, but most people like how they look. So decided to go for that as well. Yet another project we will be doing here shortly. Okay, last but not least, this one was a little expensive compared to the other accessories, but actually this is the one I'm most excited about. I think it's just gonna be a real nice look. Let's get this open up and you guys can see what it is. Lots of wires, lots of zip ties. We have our illuminated door sills. Ooh, check that out, yeah. So these are the door sills, front and back. They'll light up when you open the door. I think they're pretty cool looking, at least from the videos I've seen. I've never seen them in person. I have a feeling they're gonna look better in person than they do in some of the pictures, so I'm pretty excited about this. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up that we're gonna be doing videos on all of these installations, and hope you enjoy all that. We really think it's gonna pull the car together. We're gonna have that full OEM accessory lay down for everybody, so you can see what it looks like, understand how difficult the installations are, and hopefully we'll give you some confidence to do some of those things on your own, or at least give you a good idea of what it looks like so you can decide if you want to have it done. If you enjoy this video and you enjoy the things that we're doing with our Integra and our Civic and all the things we're doing on our channel, please give us a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. We'll put links to all this stuff in the description below, and thanks a lot for watching and all your support. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.